Hi, this is PHP training course, and today in day 3 I will guide how to work with comments in PHP. Okay, so basically when you write any code, if you want to explain more detail for the current shortcode or the method you are using in the project, so you can use the comment to do it. And today in this video I will guide you detail it how to use it. Okay, let's get started. I will open the subline text here. So this is the project we are working on, and now I will go ahead to open the first index.php page. Okay, here. So here I want to explain more detail here. We can do a single line comment here. This is no, sorry. You have to follow the PHP syntax here. This is my comment in single line text, single line text. Okay, and here if you run the code, I will open this browser and just type in localhost and PHP train localhost PHP train here. So here you can see this is my command in single line text is not displaying in the shortcode. Okay, so here if I view the shortcode here, the command message still not display here as well. Okay, if I enter the text here, refresh this one here, so it will display the text. I will remove it out. Okay, so here if I want to, this is the single line command, and here in case you want to add long command, how to do it? Okay, you PHP okay, you can use this one. This is my comment. Thank you for watching my video. Copy this one. It will be very long. Here. So here, in case if you are using the single line command, so here, if, for example, for this one, you have to add a comment for each line of text here. Okay, so instead of using your single one, you can use this one to add the multiple one. Okay, run the website. Yes, no code here. Okay, and we have someone here. This is another one for testing. Single line. Even I refresh this one here, so the password error message. So that means you are writing the PHP code in wrong format and syntax here. So now here we have a command. This one, it should be the same slash as double slash here. It is also single line command. Okay, cool. Here. And of course, when you work with any programming language, not even work with the PHP, the comment is very important thing in the project. It will help you to explain more detail when you want to write any business or the logic complex in the code. Okay, so of course, if if another one he write the code, he read the code, so they go to the comment section, and they will understand it very quickly. Okay, I hope I think this is enough for today. And after if you need this video, you know how to use the comment in the PHP. And okay, thank you for watching, and let me know if you see any issue. Bye bye and see you later.